Hi guys, so today we are diving deep into the heart of South Indian cuisine with a truly special dish, Mutton Ghee Roast. This iconic recipe is a celebration of rich flavors and aromatic spices. Get ready to experience a culinary masterpiece. Mutton Ghee Roast is a dish that requires patience and attention to details. We'll start by cooking the mutton along with the spices and then slowly cook the mutton in ghee, allowing the flavors to melt together and create a delicious gravy. The aroma alone will transport you to the heart of South India. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of making this authentic mutton ghee roast. From marinating the mutton to the final simmering, I'll ensure that you have everything you need to recreate this culinary masterpiece in your own kitchen. So let's get cooking and experience the magic of South Indian flavors. So now, let's begin with this recipe. So first, take pressure cooker, add 1.5 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter, and then add 1 kg mutton, boneless and cut in medium pieces. Then add 1.5 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, add some salt to taste, add 2 cups water, and then cover it and cook it for about 4 to 5 whistles. Then in a hot pan, add 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1.5 tablespoon black peppercorns, 2 green cardamom, 3 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 1 cup curry leaves, and then dry roast it until the curry leaves are nice and dry. Then leave it aside and allow it to cool down slightly. Then take a mixer jar and add all the dry roasted spices, then blend it to a fine powder. So the masala powder is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then check on the mutton. As you can see, the mutton is nicely cooked. Then leave this aside. Then in a hot pan, add 1.5 tablespoon ghee, then add 2 onions sliced and fry the onion until it is nice and light brown. Something like this. Then add the cooked mutton and give it a nice mix. And then boil it until the gravy is reduced to half. As you can see that the gravy is reduced to half now. Then add the masala powder which was previously made. Then give it a nice mix. Then add some salt to taste. Add 1 stock cube and then fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Let the masala nicely infuse with the meat. Then add 1 tablespoon butter and add handful of chopped coriander leaves. And then fry it for about 2 minutes. And there you have it guys, a truly delicious mutton ghee roast. The tender mutton infused with aromatic spices and slow cooked in ghee is a testament to the culinary artistry of South India. This dish is sure to impress your friends and family. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. And if you try this recipe at home, be sure to leave a comment and let me know how it turned out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.